So yeah, customers, so I'm always saying that it's so possible, to buy the Takwa stones. So these are the flat stones that from Takwa. So these are the Takwa flat stones that are bigger like this. Yeah, so even if you lay on the wall, it's going to look also beautiful. But you have another stone that you call it a marble stones or a cutting stones. That also looking extra beauty by the installation. So these are the cutting stones. After you use a machine to cut it at the customer inside. Yeah, so as you can see that you cut all of them at the same sizes. Just look at this. You cut all of them on one sizes. Yeah, so after like they finish with their cutting, you will take one day and divide all these stones. And one can divide like 3 or 4, 2, 3 or 4. So these stones where they here, it's going to be multiplied by 3 or 4. When you divide it, finish. Like just see something. Like this one, there's lines on already. I'm coming. Just look at something. So just right now, I got, I divided one already. There's line inside these stones. Where divided by like, say, my father mountain is a. Okay. Wow. Hey, and where for power? Just look at something. So one stones are able to divide 3. So you have got 3 out of one stones. So these are the benefits. By buying the flat stone at your place, it cut it for you. So just imagine like these stones are divided 3. And this one also divide. So you're going to do some amazing jobs. So when you buy the flat stone to your site, you can make it for you. It is so beneficial and so big benefit. Yeah, so these are the machine that which you cut the stones. Yeah, so sometimes the machine you have 3 face there, you have 2 face there, so it depends the light that you have at your place. As you can see. So you supply these stones across the country. Whatever I come and do on a best way, a cut is at your place. As you can see. Yeah, so after they cut the stones, they will get this one here, a form of waste. But this will not be waste. You use the stone to design your pillars or support at your place. That you call it a share stones. So as well as these stones in Accra, you sell it per kia 3,000 Ghana cedi per 1 kia, and you got these stones up to 1 kia. Is so beneficial to design your pillars with the stones. So you are going to lay them like this. So these are share stones that is so expensive here in Ghana here. So even if you cut the stone at your place, there's nothing much like a waste. You can reach this stone and design your building for you. So these are the beneficial to cut the stones at your place. Yeah, so I'll be here again, give you update someday about how the way is going and how you're going to look like when you start the installation. Thanks for watching.